Today on Passport Kings, I'm going to show you how to make money from home, working for established companies so you can travel more, all without recruiting, selling, or much of an investment. Engage. I'm Rockland. I travel the globe for leisure, exploration, and education about different cultures. Join me, and you too can be royalty.
This is Passport Kings. Welcome aboard abroad.
Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Welcome aboard abroad. Barack Obama himself endorsed Arise in one of his speeches a few years ago. I understand the fear when someone online makes a promise about helping you make money without a typical 9 to 5. A lot of people turn their noses up and shut down communication. Although those are fine opportunities, sales and recruiting is not for everybody. They want to take it slow, make it slow, and let an already established Fortune 500 company make it so. People are used to clocking in and clocking out at a set time and having a steady paycheck arrive into their bank accounts every 2 weeks. That is where Arise comes in. Arise Virtual Solutions provides a technology platform that connects customer service representatives with prestigious clients, many of which are, like I said, Fortune 500 companies. When a lot of Fortune 500 companies sent out surveys to their customers, they would ask, what would make their company better? Customers overwhelmingly agreed that when you call customer service, they do not want to speak with someone with a strong accent from a foreign country. It had nothing to do with nationality or racism. It was just that when one wants to take care of an issue with a bank, phone company, retail customer care, or utility company, basic communications in the same language makes the process a lot faster and easier. Arise listened, and with stay-at-home parents in mind, they were able to tackle 2 birds with 1 stone. Clear voices of customer care agents with English as their first language and the ability to work from home to get a steady, constant paycheck was exactly what those companies needed. And you don't have to twist someone's arm to try to get them to buy something that they never wanted in the first place. So, what will you be doing all day? Taking incoming phone calls from customers of major and well-known businesses. Register today and connect with the nation's largest cable and internet provider, as well as retail stores, income tax help desk, cruise line customer service, and other world-class client opportunities, providing services and inbound communications using the Arise platform. What will you need? A desktop or laptop computer connected directly via Ethernet to your modem/router. I know, but the Wi-Fi is flawless in your home. Well, they still will not trust it. Their customers are very important to them, and they do not want your Wi-Fi conking out in the middle of a conversation. They also want you to have a landline phone. No, your cell phone or Magic Jack will not work. If you don't have one, you will have to call the phone company and get one. Phone service from a home phone company is mandatory, mainly because of the clarity of connections and no chance of it dying or being overwhelmed with apps. At least I think that's their logic behind this rule. Other than that, you need to put some time aside to just work the hours you set up for yourself. Like I said, I've, in the last few months, went through the entire process. There is nothing complicated about it. It's just like having a regular job, but you're just doing it from home and making your own hours. Upon successful completion of the registration process, your next step would be to enroll in a client certification course of your choice. Client courses may take as little as 3 weeks or as long as 8 weeks to complete, depending on the project you selected. The registration process is easy. You could be up and running in as little as 3 to 5 days and on your way to making your work from home business dream a reality. All you will ever ever pay out of pocket is a one-time fee for your background check and one-time fee for your training. The number you will want to use if you're uninterested in starting up your own call center business is the Passport Kings Corporation number, which is 822-515-369. I feel that big rewards come with significant risk and big investment, but some people are just not willing to put so much money at stake without a guaranteed return. Arise is the perfect solution for you. If you want to use it as a full-time job or just a part-time supplemental income, both or either or is possible. You work and they will pay you by the hour and no funny business. Don't let big companies take up all your time you have in this life. Watch your kids grow and take off when you want to. Arise is excellent if you want to have a set schedule but make your own hours. If you've ever did any kind of customer service, you will excel right out of the door. If you haven't, you'll still be guided, trained, and helped until you are an expert for the client that you work for. I've been dealing with this company for over 6 months, and I wanted to make sure it did all the claims it said it would before I mentioned it on this channel. I made sure I had the equipment I needed, I took the classes, did plenty of hours, and yes indeed, they sent checks via direct deposit into my bank account. There is no guessing game. You work, you get paid. No sales hoops, no manipulation. It is not outgoing calls. They are all incoming, and the best part for me was, if you need to take a week off, simply don't schedule yourself for those days, and no one will ask you about it or judge you. Travel cannot be fully enjoyed if you only have 2 days per week to do it until your annual vacation. You are in complete control over your work schedule and your life. That type of freedom needs to be felt firsthand to truly understand. Season 5 of Passport Kings is made possible by viewers like you who contribute to Passport Kings on Patreon. Being a member will get you exclusive content that can sometimes be considered too risque for my rated G audience. You'll get behind the scenes content, you'll get half off the shirt of the month, and some of you will even get to select the topic of my next video. Plus, I'll put your name in a drawing for a free trip abroad that a winner will be picked every single month. So become a Patreon today and keep Passport Kings going strong. Alright, so fortunately, making money from home is not as hard as it used to be. And now with Arise, you can make money from home and have the free time that you need to travel. So that's what you should do from now on, so you can be free to do what you want, like the king of Passport Kings. Peace. Yo, what's up? This is Rockland. I wanted to send out a rest in peace to a really good dude that died last weekend. He was a friend of mine. He was a friend of a whole lot of people. It really woke a lot of people up to getting their passports and making sure that a lot of people traveled to Brazil and just looking outside of the U.S. for options as far as love and as far as like just making your life a little bit better. So this one goes out to Charles Tyler, a good friend of mine. You rest in peace, baby. Man, sorry that we never got to really get up like that, but the times that I did speak to you, they were all good times. We had great times. We spoke about good things, and you rest in peace. And if you guys haven't yet, there is a GoFundMe for his burial services. Y'all go over there and support that guy's burial services as well as him getting out of Brazil. And if it's of any consolation, I know that he died doing exactly what he loved doing best, being in Brazil and giving his black brothers an option. So rest in peace, Charles, and my condolences to your family. Peace.